Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm all about the glowy blush lately. So I picked up these two Strobing blushes from Catrice. I got the shades Miss Rosalie Berry, and then I also got the, can you even see that? This is Miss Rosalie Berry, and then I got the shade Mrs. Summer Peach. There we go, that's Mrs. Summer Peach. And I picked these up because they're supposed to deliver a natural luminous finish. Now these were $6.99 each. This brand is cruelty-free, which is awesome. But this was so random. I just happened to be looking at the ingredients and it says it contains carmine. And I thought, what is that and why are they putting that disclaimer on the back of their blush? So I looked it up, and carmine is actually what's called, I think it's pronounced cochineal. It's insect scales. So there are insect scales in this blush. Typically you have insect scales actually in a lot of cosmetics, so that's nothing weird. But here's a fun, weird fact. It takes 70,000 pounds of insect scales to make 1 pound of cochineal. So these looked super, super pretty in the pan. Again, this is Mrs. Summer Peach, and you can see like it's 4 different colors, which obviously I had my dirty little mitts in there swirling things around to do a swatch. And then this is Mrs. Rosalie Berry, same idea. If I could get the container open to show you, there we go. So you have that, you know, quad of color. So just to give you some swatches, let's start with the more berry toned. So you can see that there. Ooh, whoa, whoa, that is pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna have to go in with a light hand. And this is, again, Mrs. Summer Peach. This I love shades like this. I think they're so pretty. That's kind of like NARS Orgasm-y. Let's see how it swatches. All right, that's like a little more low octane. It's weird how they're swatching so differently. All right, so now I'm super curious. I kind of want to go super curious. I'm gonna go with Mrs. Summer Peach because I want to see if it is buildable. Now, I will say, like right off the bat, it is giving off kind of a sheer luminous glow. So that is very, very pretty. If you're looking for something that is more natural, they're not lying. So let's go ahead and apply it onto the cheeks. So I'm gonna kind of go in a little heavy because that's just what I do with blushes. Ooh. Well, that's definitely natural looking. So now I have highlight on right here, but you can tell like where I applied the blush, that is giving off a nice luminous glow. But let's try this side because this is where the light hits my face better, and that's where we're really gonna see how luminous this is. So again, this is where I put the highlight on before, and going back into the Strobing blush, just tap, tap, tapping. It is a little powdery, but some people get all crazy about that. I really don't. And that is natural looking color. I kind of wish it wasn't so natural looking. I'm gonna go back in and grab some more and hit it even harder. Okay, there we go. So it's buildable, which is beautiful. I like it when products are like that because it kind of gives you greater control over things. This actually might be my new favorite blush as long as it behaves throughout the day. So I guess I will do a couple check-ins and we will see how it performs, and I'll see you in a little bit. Here's the level of sickness. I just drove about 20 minutes to Walmart to find this palette. I've been dying to try it out. I saw Kathleen Lights talking about it and some other people online, and I could not find it anywhere else. So 20 minutes was the closest distance. Sick. We are going on a little car ride because I need to go to Whole Foods and then Verizon because I want to trade in my iPhone 7 for an 8. So I am now at Whole Foods, and I figured I would just show you quickly this blush. You can see it is the prettiest blush I've used in so long. I'm absolutely in love. I just think it gives such a nice natural flush to the cheeks. It has been on now for 9 hours? 9 hours? Yeah, 9 hours, and it has not buzzed, it has not done anything. So I would say absolutely check out the Catrice blushes. If you do, leave me a comment below. I think they came in 4 shades, I picked up 2, so let me know what you grabbed, what you thought of them. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!